Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to use PolyBuzz application. For that, first of all, open the PolyBuzz application. Once you open it, this is your main screen. It shows your feed or dashboard and you can always tap this to get back to the main page. If you want to chat with any character, then you just have to hit on the character and type the message and hit on the send button. Just right to it, you will see chat button. If you go through it, then this will open your messages. It's where all your direct or group chats live, kind of like your inbox. If you go to the right of it, you will see a big control button that is plus. It is basically used when you want to post something new or upload content or start creating. If you want to create anything, then you just have to hit on regular or multi-role. Then you'll see a form. You just have to fill it out and hit on the upload button. Next to it, you will see compass option available, where you can discover new stuff like trending posts, people, or topics you might like. It's just great for browsing and finding fresh content. Now, if you go through the profile icon, which is just right to it, then it will take to your own space. You can count your daily coins, you can see your post, your information, your saved items, and you can also go through the settings, which is on the top right corner, to change anything if you want. Basically, this profile icon has all of your personal corner of the application. Here you can also go and find your characters, your modes, galleries, and followings too. So at last, if you want to log out, then there you will see log out option available. Simply hit on that to log out from the application. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.